Good morning, evening or afternoon, wherever you may be. It's the gaming Snob here, and we're playing Far Cry 4. And what we're gonna do, as you can see, is late at night. It's kinda, you know, well, it's not really scary. I was gonna say scary, but this place is so nice, it's hard to be scared at night. Look at that pretty blue flower. I'm so pretty no more, ain't bitch? Nah. So anyway, what we're doing on this little mission, objective I've got for you here, is let's go find a rhino. And what we do is, we'll get on this and we go flying. Oh yeah, we're gliding. Oh yeah. Now I want to be around this. This is the rhino region. As I've set a marker on the map. Got a little waypoint there. Whee! Look around, you can look around. Oh, look at the nice views. Oh, it's kind of scary too, I must admit. So I'll make sure I not go to that L, because it might kick me off into a mission, and we're not doing that because we got separate objectives here, people. Now I'm just gonna scan the area quickly for a rhino. Hopefully I don't die. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ooh! Now that was fucking close. But you love that landing, don't ya? You love that shit. You call me Superman for no reason. Oh yeah! Right, so what we're doing, people, is searching for a rhino. Now if you was a rhino, where would you be? Obviously I marked it over there, 150 meters from the initial rhino region. The point, hopefully a rhino spawn somewhere around here. Should do. Unless Far Cry's fucking with me! Anyway, I'm just gonna climb up this hill a little bit, because I want a nice little vantage point. Pull my camera out. Oh shit, I can hear that, can you? The fuck is that? Woohoo! And he's right there behind me! Yeah! And I've got a tree. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just pull my, because I want a clean kill, so I'm gonna pull my crossbow out, shoot in his ass. You're running off, bitch. You're running off, bitch. Change my scope on my crossbow. If you don't know, you can only change scope on the recurve bow. Right, I'm gonna shoot in his. He's running. Come on, rhino. I want ya. I want you, bitch. You're coming with me. Dead or alive, you're coming with me. If you know where that line's from, hit me up, comment, like, subscribe. And if you don't know, I'll give you a clue. The movie rhymes with Photoshop. Yep, if you still haven't got it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then unfortunately, you're a dumbass. Headshot, come on. Oh yeah. Oh shit, is it coming from? Oh, I've run out. No, 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 no. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, bitch. Not over there, I'm a bitch. Can't see me on the tree, can you, bitch? You're still not dead. Oh yeah. You dead now, you bitch. Dead now, and I want my arrows back. How many of my arrows did you take? You fucking cunt. Yeah. We got a rhino. We got a rhino. Fucking take that, you fucker. Horny bugger. Right then. Oh, what about my arrows? There we go. You got my arrows back. And let's just see, we're gonna hunt something else now. Let's hunt some. No, let's get some monkeys. You know we like them monkeys. Let's go over here now. Ooh, I've already found some, have I? Yes, I have. Let me get my bow out for you, boy. You dead? Ooh. You dead? Oh yeah, me got some monkey. Oh, look at him, they see me rolling, they hating. I got an arrow stuck in my leg, arrow stuck in my leg. Shit, he's writhing in pain, people. Oh, stop rolling now. Damn. Oh shit, another rhino? Now what do I do, people? You know what, I'm sorry people, I'm gonna have to do it, unfortunately. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh, he took me out! No! Rhino's done me over, people. Alright. So normally, that just shows, do not fuck with rhinos. Especially in open plains like that, where it can just run and charge at you. Do not let the fucker see you.